Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. Got an unboxing and a giveaway for you. Speaking of unboxings, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of September, it is the Pure Festival palette. I will put a link in the description box down below. Take you to the video. Talks about how to enter that one. We are giving away one of the items in the iPsy September Glam Bag. I got to pick one item in here, and the other 4 items are a surprise. So iPsy Glam Bag ships out $12 a month. You do get a makeup bag in there, and then 5 items. So somewhere in this video will be a secret word that you need to know to enter the giveaway. My giveaways are really easy. Watch the video in its entirety and make sure that you are subscribed. So let's find out what's in here. I do have a code for iPsy if you want to check them out. It'll save you a little bit of extra money, and it kind of saves me some extra points on if I want to purchase anything in the future as well. Oh, some of you guys have asked me what I have on my eyes. Today it is the Nubian 2 by Juvia's. I think on Monday there is going to be a video that goes up, talks about my favorite fall palettes, and this one is in here. I mean, look how stunning these colors are. They are just gorgeous, gorgeous fall colors. So let me know what you guys have planned for the weekend. I don't have any plans because by the time this goes up, I'll just be getting back from going in and visiting my son, which I haven't seen in 40 days. And I'm very much looking forward to. We get to watch him race and spend a little bit of time with him. So I'm excited about that. It's only the day you get to spend with them, but you parents know out there, any chance you get to spend with your kids who you haven't seen in a long time, cherish. So let's find out what's in here. Look at this bag, little corduroy fall color action, cute. So here's what the inside looks like. iPsy logo here. Has iPsy on the zipper pull as well. This is cute. September 20, good vibes. This month radiates positivity from trying a bold new hairstyle to finding the perfect fall lip color. When you embrace the season of change with an I got this attitude, the results will be out of sight. I have a Charlotte Tilbury walk of shame going on my lips right now. They put the products back on here. Yay! First thing on here is from BEAU GACHIS Cosmetics. Haven't heard of them before. Brush Illuminator, full size, which this is, retails for $11.95. You were obviously born to shine, and this glow building brush will help you make it happen. Use it with all of your favorite formulas, from powders and creams to liquids and gels. This fluffy beauty has synthetic bristles that will blend your makeup to perfection. Tip, use this brush to apply highlighter to the points of your face or blend in any concealer. The perfect size for a concealer, blending of that in. So pretty. From Benefit is the POREFESSIONAL Hydrate Primer. I really like this. It takes me forever to go through a primer, you guys, because I just squeeze out the little bit. I don't have that big of pores, and I just kind of tap on like here and around the cheeks and nose, and like this would take me probably a couple months to go through. It's just this little sample size. Like I said, it takes me forever. So when your busy life is a good primer like this oil-free formula is key to a fresh, long-lasting look. It creates the barrier between your skin and the foundation to prevent oils from wearing down your makeup and hydrates your skin for up to 12 hours with hyaluronic acid, and shea butter. Tip, dot this on your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin, and blend it out through. A little goes a long way. Remember what I said, a little going a long way, taking forever. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $32. From REALHER is the Highlighter Ultimate Glow Getter in the shade Goddess. Full size retails for $28. True to its name, a few sweeps of the shimmering highlighter makes you glow like a goddess you are. It uses finely milled light reflecting pigments to give your skin a subtle sheen that looks naturally gorgeous. Plus it's cruelty free and made without gluten, talc, or parabens. Tip, sweep the highlighter on your shoulders and collarbones for a pretty all over glow. This is a deluxe size sample. Like I said, it does retail for $28 full size. Look how pretty this is. So I do have the full size of this. So this may be one of the things that we give away. Let's find out what else is in here first. By Pacifica is a Desert Sunset Matte Blush and Bronze Duo. This is a deluxe size sample. Full size does retail for $18. Want to blush up and glow with a single product? This buildable blush and bronzer duo has got you covered. The bronzer has a matte finish, which makes it great for glowing sans shine, especially if your skin is on the oily side. Mine's on the dry side, by the way. This blush will leave you with a natural looking rosy glow. Tip, sweep the bronzer over your lids to give them depth and dimension. I do that quite a bit. If I just want a really quick eyelash look, I'll put a little bit of bronzer on the lids, just in the crease area, and then put one kind of single shade. I usually use, when I do that, like a Super Shock from ColourPop. Oh, this is really pretty in perfect fall colors. And it has a mirror, kind of a magnifying mirror on this side. By Pixie by Petra is the Endless Silky Eye Pen in Bronze Beam. This hybrid eyeliner gives you the best of both worlds. The intensity of a liquid eyeliner with the ease of a pencil. One swipe of the silky cream formula leaves behind a shimmery bronze color that holds up to water, sweat, humidity, you name it. Tip for an easy look, smoke out the edges along the lashes and blend before your pigment sets. So let's open this one up. I wanted to try one of the Pixie eyeliners. I love Pixie products. I have, just within reaching distance right here is the Pixie Glow Mist. Love, love, love this. And I even use this on like my brushes if I want like an intense look, which I did do today. That took a lot for me to get it into. I hope that it's worth the time. Here's this. Oh, glides on like a dream. Not drying at all. Oh, let's put a little bit of this in the waterline. And see the difference? So pretty. I don't do a ton of eyeliner on my top lid because I have such hooded eyes and real estate is at a premium there. So I love putting it in the waterline, love it. And then you guys look, not budging no matter how much I rub. Love it. Secret word, goddess. So let's give away the REALHER Confidence in a Glow Goddess shade because I do already own this. And I really, really do like it. And I can't wait for one of you guys to own it as well. Giveaways are really, really easy. You must like this video, be a subscriber, watch the video in its entirety. There is a Google form link in the description box down below. I'm the only one that has access to it, and as soon as the giveaway is over, I immediately go ahead and delete all the whole form. So on that Google form link, make sure to put your YouTube name so I can check and see, yes, this person is subscribed. And then also the secret word in there. Make sure that you add that as well. Do not put that secret word in the comments down below, or your comment will be deleted and you will be disqualified. So, and speaking of disqualifications, make sure to only put that, fill out the form once, so that way it is fair to everybody. If you don't, you will be disqualified. Anyway, I love giving back to you guys. I love being a little ray of sunshine. Let's have this giveaway go through October 13th, Mountain Standard Time at midnight. And then on October 14th, I will go ahead and pick the winner, and I will pin that person's first name and first initial of their last name in the comments down below of this video. That's how I announce the winners. The giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, lost in transit, damage, customs, anything like that for it to get to you. I do package things up pretty nicely. If you want 2 extra bonus entries, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty, AMA, A-M-A, and the letter B. And then if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm really trying to grow this channel here, and I can only do it with your help. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. I've purchased this, I take it back to you. I hope that you guys have a fabulous rest of your day. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking them out. Have a beautiful day. Take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.